The law of attraction is all about manifesting what you want into your life, right? But there are so many ways or methods to manifest your desire into your life. And today we are going to talk about the 555 methods to manifest your desire. Have you heard about this method before? We call it the 555 technique or the 55 by 5 technique. If you want to know more about this technique, stay tuned. Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am sending energy of love to everyone watching me right now. If today is your first time being here, this channel is all about spirituality, okay? And here I share spiritual tips, law of attraction and meditation and more. So if you want to get more spiritual insights, click on the subscribe button to join the family. So like I said earlier, today we are going to talk about the 555 law of attraction technique used to attract your desire. This law of attraction technique is an ancient method that has been used for ages. I have personally discovered this technique in 2020 and I have used it several times and got incredible results. This technique is simple and powerful, very powerful, but at the same time, it needs focus and good vibration. I will explain to you exactly how to use this technique to get good results. So, what is the 555 technique all about? For this technique, we are going to focus on only one wish, one desire at a time. Okay? So, if you have so many things you want to manifest at a time, it's not going to work. You have to focus and choose one desire to manifest for this particular technique. If maybe it's all about your business, maybe you start a business and you are not seeing the results, or it's about your relationship, okay, your love relationship. Just think about what you want to manifest and focus on the outcome and put this as a sentence. Make sure it's a clear sentence, easy to understand, okay? And this sentence has to be in present tense. You have to make it like you are manifesting the thing right now. I'll give you an example, okay? So if your desire, if your wish is all about your love relationship, you can write something like, I am attracting a marriage, or I am attracting a beautiful relationship or a harmonious relationship with my partner. Or if it's like marriage that you want, I am attracting a marriage with my partner. You can mention the name of the person. If the person is called John, for example, I am attracting a marriage with John, or something like, thank you, universe, for giving me a beautiful marriage with John. The thank you at the beginning of the sentence here is going to give you that gratitude vibration, okay? You feel like, yes, the thing has already happened. Note that the sentence I use in this video is just an example, okay? What you are going to manifest, your desire can be about anything else. It can be about your job, your business, your family, anything else, okay? Just make sure that you are using one desire at a time. Now, when you are sure about your sentence, about your desire, when you are very sure about what you have written down, you are going to write this desire again and again 55 times. You are going to write it down 55 times. Yes, you write it 55 times, sorry, and continuously for 5 days. This is why it is called the 555 or the 55 by 5 technique. You write it down 55 times every day for 5 days. If you want to do this ritual, make sure you make time for it. When you sit down to write your wish, make sure you will not be disturbed, okay? You have to write all the 55 sentences in one sitting. This technique looks simple, but you have to be focused and you have to make time for it. The 555 technique is a spiritual technique which represents your personal power, okay? It combines your personal power and the 5 elements of nature. The first 5, which is the number 55, represents your personal power. So when you write your wish 55 times, you are raising that vibration of yours. You are typing into your spiritual power. Okay, and when you repeat this for 5 days, it's like you are asking nature, you are asking the forces of nature to help you manifest your dream. This manifestation technique is very powerful and will give you amazing results if you do it right. So here are the things you need to avoid to make this ritual powerful and effective for you. First of all, you have to use one single desire. You cannot mix many desires together. Number 2, you should not write your sentence as if you are asking, as if you are in need. Okay, don't use words like I want, I need. No, make your sentence as if you are having the thing right now. That's why we are using the present tense. Okay, always start your sentence with I am attracting, I am manifesting, I am receiving, I am having. You see, these words make you feel like you are already possessing the thing right now, and this help you raise your vibration. Now, the third thing is that when writing this sentence for 55 times, you have to do it in one sitting. You don't write 20 times in the morning and continue the rest in the evening. No, you don't do that, okay? You know, there are some people who would find it difficult to sit down and write one sentence 55 times. They may feel like it's a punishment, okay? But you don't have to feel that way. If you like, you can make a short sentence, okay? Don't let your sentence be too long. You can make a short sentence to make things easier for yourself. Now, the last mistake you have to avoid is not doing it continuously for 5 days. If you start on Monday, for example, you have to make sure you continue through to Friday. You don't have to do it for 2 days and then break and continue later. No, I assure you that if you do that, if you make that mistake, your manifestation is not going to work. And for these kind of rituals, I advise people to do it when they're about to go to bed. So when you finish your day and your mind is more calm, you can do this ritual before going to bed. Timing is not really important here, okay? Just make sure before doing this ritual, you are alone and nobody is going to disturb you or distract you. Follow the instructions in this video and the 555 manifestation will work for you. I'll be really glad to read your testimonies. If you are happy and excited about this law of attraction technique right now, type "Thank you, universe" in the comment section below. And if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, this is the time to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my new videos. I love you all and I can't wait to share other manifestation tips with you. Take care of yourself. Blessings.